Hello, this is going to be a quick little tour of our apartment, starting with the very small and very exciting front entryway, which is, there's two doors, so yeah, there's the front entrance, and then we have this door, and this is the most exciting thing, to be honest, when I first got here, and I think for Lindsay too, this is kind of what sold her. It's tough to see because the video on my phone is so garbage, but yeah, the first thing you see when you open the door is this like really nice green space in the background. Um, yeah, which is just like this lush green ivy, and there's like an old moss-covered statue and stuff. Um, but enough about that. This is the living room, um, which again, garbage phone, but has a really nice sort of bunch of natural light, and yeah, it's just pretty cozy. Um, There's an electric fireplace, which I guess there used to be a real fireplace, and I guess the chimney is still there apparently. So there's a chance that we might be able to actually get, um, actually light a fire in there. We just have to kind of talk to our landlord and figure out what's up there. We have a futon for a couch. When we moved in, there's like a day bed, which was kind of weird. So we moved the futon that was upstairs, which we'll see in a second, downstairs, and then moved the day bed up. This is the kitchen, of course, which is quite nice. One very strange thing is just how tiny this fridge is. And we're just getting back from Japan, where we had a very small fridge. But this very small fridge is actually substantially smaller than our very small fridge in Japan. So, yeah, a bit weird, I think. But yeah, gas stove, of course, our tea kettle slash pour over coffee kettle. This is one of my favorite features of the house, which is this like smart meter. It tells us like real time how much gas and electricity we're using. So today it looks like we've spent 1.27 pounds on gas and electric. Yeah, here's another little picture, I guess, of the back, which yeah, is just kind of nice. That's our backyard, so we can go back there and hang out if we want. It's all registers for heat. Yeah, not again. It's hard to kind of get a good feeling for how big the space is, but it's pretty small, I'd say. I think we could probably set this table up, which expands and fits maybe probably get 6 people or something like that inside of here, but like super cramped. We are drying socks because although we have a washing machine, there is no dryer, which is fairly typical, I think. Although again, coming from Japan, it was the same situation, but in Japan, it was pretty much always hot or sunny or whatever, whereas here it's not. So anyway, we just use the registers to dry stuff. This is the bathroom. Again, not super exciting or anything like that. But that's it. It's actually quite nice in here, I'd say, as far as bathrooms go. Yeah, this is our little washing machine. And one thing I love is we have a tankless water heater, so unlimited unlimited hot water, and also the heater is what provides the registers with steam. So yeah, I guess fairly efficient system. There are a bunch of lights everywhere, which is weird, kind of, and a very, very narrow staircase. Again, probably a bit difficult to see. This is our bedroom, which, again, like a really nice natural light source. And the window. This is our bed, and this fireplace I don't know much about. I suspect that is not connected anymore to an actual chimney, but I don't know. Yeah, tons of storage space in this place. And again, like the outside is just super nice. So okay. This room is kind of the second bedroom. This is my closet. This is where we have our socks and stuff like that. Yeah, this is currently where we have a desk set up for work. And once again, just a super nice kind of, I don't know, lush green, really nice place. Apparently this building here, there, was once an old horse barn or something like that, I guess. And it's one of the early buildings that was built after people started building outside of the walls. So that's kind of cool. We have another bathroom, which is very small. And again, with the camera, it's particularly difficult to take a video with, but yeah, it's nice. Feels new and clean and everything. I think new shower head and all that kind of stuff. Tiny little sink, which is pretty typical in Japanese houses, or at least smaller ones. And also in restaurants and stuff like that, with tiny little closets of space. And then finally, we have this attic, which is actually quite nice. Although before it was a little cozier because the futon was in here, which fit a little better. But we've moved the bed in here, which you can see, and I have this open at the moment to get some fresh air. But yeah, there's a skylight, and again, you can see everything very nicely. Again, it's just kind of like has a nice old city feel, which at least for me, coming from the US and from Japan, is kind of cool. So yeah, so that's it. I'll actually close this. What else? That's pretty much it, actually. So this is like a place that we can have guests, I guess, if we wanted, which we do. Yeah, and I guess that's it. Okay, thanks.